All right, guys. So I talked about in my first impressions of the Z Fold 3 that the Instagram application looks like this, where it's not filling the screen. Some of you guys said use Good Lock, and some of you guys said go into advanced settings and then labs, and you don't even need Good Lock. Well, this is true. So you go into your settings, you go to advanced, and then you go down to labs right here, and then you do customize aspect ratio for the app. All of them are set to 16:9 by default. Well, at least this one is. You switch it to full screen, and now the Instagram will be full screen. This lets you know that you can actually do it like this. So this was something that I didn't know about because I don't know everything. I appreciate you guys helping me out. So this is another tip and trick for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, courtesy of a couple of my subscribers. You know who you are. I appreciate your support. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Full screen application now for any app that I want to do that doesn't act right. Take care, folks.